Hey, it's Miss Alana, and we are working on today's math practice. It is Tuesday, April the 12th, 2016, and we're working on number 7. Number 7. All right, so the domain of this question is measurement and data, and the standard is number 8. Measurement and data number 8. You can read it with me. I'm reading that right there. It says, solve word problems involving dollar bills, quarters, dimes, nickels, and pennies, using dollar sign and cent symbols appropriately. Example, if you have 2 dimes and 3 pennies, how many cents do you have? All right, so this question, number 7, says draw and write 2 ways to show 70 cents, okay? So there are a lot of ways to show 70 cents, but all I want you to show me is 2 ways, okay? But I might show you more than 2 ways, and you're going to see which ones you did or which ones help you count better, okay? So, let's do 10-cent coins, okay? What kind of coin is a 10-cent coin? That is a dime, all right? So, to make 70, I want to use all dimes. How many dimes do I need to make 70 cents? How many dimes? 7 dimes, because let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 70 cents. So I'm going to draw my circle to represent my dime. I wrote a 10 inside of it. So that's 10 cents, another 10 cents, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Ugh. You can't see it that good. I think the marker got a little bit, the ink is a little bit bigger than my circle. All right, but can you see that? Oh my gosh, I messed up. Look what I did. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Ah! I need to do what? Cross out one of them. Okay. This is why you don't use a pen or a marker or a crayon, because you can't erase it. All right, make sure you use a pencil so it's nice and neat. All right, count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. All right, so that's one way. Now, I'm going to think of another way. What if I use, quarters? How many quarters do I need to draw? I need to draw, okay, 1 quarter is how much? 25. And then 2 quarters, let me write that down, 25. So there's my quarter, okay? And let me draw 2 quarters. How much is 2 quarters? How much would that be? That's 50 cents. So if I do another quarter, how much would that be? I'm not going to do it because it makes it 75 cents. It's too much. All right, so I have 25 and 25 make 50. And then what else do I need to make 70? 50, 60, 70 would be 2 dimes. That's right, 2 dimes. So right there, 25, 50, 60, 70. So there's another way that you can show how to make 70 cents. Now, I'm going to do another way. Now, you don't have to do 3 ways or 4 ways, but if you want to, that's really, really good because that means you're practicing and then that makes you smarter and smarter every day. All right, so I'm going to just draw a line. I'm going to draw a line like that, make it look like our 4 square. All right, so this time maybe let's, I want to use some nickels. What if we count by, nickels are what? By 5. So let's count by 5. 5 all the way to what? 70. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. I need more fingers. 55, 60, 65, 70. Oh, how much was that? All right, let's count it again. 5, 10, 15. Count with me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Remember, that's 10. 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. Okay? So how much is that? Not 4. Remember, I had 10, and then 4 more is 14. So I need 14 what? 14 nickels. I don't know if I can squeeze that in here. 1 nickel, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, went over the line, but there are my 14 nickels. Look, I did it in rows of 5. Look, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I like to draw my coins nice and neat and organized straight so that it helps me count better and it doesn't look confusing, and I actually just do a better job that way. All right, so bam, there's another way. Oh, can you think of another way? Oh, what if we use pennies? How much are pennies? 1 cent. So how many pennies do we need? 70 pennies. Oh my gosh. I'm not going to draw 70 pennies. Raise your hand if you want to draw 70 pennies. Maybe some of you want to draw 70 pennies. I don't want to do that. That's too much pennies to draw. And it's going to go on to the next side. So I'm going to think of another way. And then maybe you'll help me with that. All right, I want to use my quarters again. So I'm going to use 2 quarters, 25, 25, look right there. And that's why. 50, and let's use, how about nickels? Because we use dime. So 50, count by 5s. 55, 60, 65, 70. Just like that. You see, 25 and 25 make 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. So that's another way to show 70. So maybe you're going to do one of my ways, or maybe you have another way that we didn't do, and that's okay too, as long as it adds up to what? 70 cents. So do get that done. Explain to me how you did that, and you will be done with that question. And then thumbs up when you're done. Yeah, we are almost done. Almost there. You've been working so hard, and we'll move on to the next question. Yeah.